Hello everyone! Today I have my February Sephora Play unboxing for you. It seems like I was just doing January's, and I know February is a short month, but it definitely came quick. But I have the little brochure here with the Play Pass, and it's kind of decorated in a cartoon theme and says mix your love potion. And so it says mask and meditate, rest your eyes, swipe and sing, soothe your scalp, polish and think positive, and cleanse with clay. So that's this month's theme. And here's the bag. They seem to be sticking with these bags. I guess maybe they're more eco-friendly. I don't know. But on the back it just says, open here to start your next beauty adventure. But this month they couldn't even close mine, which hopefully means that there's really good items in here. So let's find out. The first one being from Fresh, which is a really good brand. I've tried some of their things before and so far have really liked what I've tried, but this is their Rose Face Mask infused with real rose petals, and it says it hydrates and tones. It hydrates and tones the complexion to restore radiance and suppleness for all skin types. The unique cooling gel formula is infused with pure rose water and real rose petals that literally melt into skin. That's how they wrote it. Then it says apply to cleansed, moist skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse with water. It also says it can be used daily. So this is what the container looks like. And it is 0.5 fluid ounces. And even with the seal on, I can smell the scent. So it does seem like it's a bit strongly scented because of the rose. I currently have a lot of face masks that I'm trying to get through, so I may hold off on this one for a bit until I get through some of the others before opening it completely. And when I get through some of those others, then I can use this one. I just don't want to have them all open at the same time because then they could all just go bad. Next is a product from Wander Beauty, and this is a brand I've heard a number of things about from different people doing videos, but I also got a lipstick from them in a Sephora box at one time, and I really liked that lipstick. But these are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So this says individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Do they know who they're marketing to or what? Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the masks to adhere better to skin, and the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract and lavender oil offer a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. Well, if this does all of those things it says it does, I might be buying a full package, and hopefully they're not a fortune. But I am a bit skeptical because most of the eye products I've tried don't give miraculous results like this describes, but I will say I have been looking for more under eye mask type things, because while I have a lot of face masks and things like that, some of them you're not supposed to use around your eyes, so I have been on the lookout for some more under eye masks, so I'm glad that Sephora included these. The next product is from Milk, and it's their Blur Stick Silicone-Free Matte Primer. Primes skin and blurs pores for smooth matte finish that prolongs the wear of makeup. Swipe sample on targeted areas to prime and mattify, then blend. When using full size, swipe all over face, then blend. So, one, I don't really need any primers right now because I have a lot to get through. But two, this is a mattifying primer. It's winter. My skin doesn't need any mattifying at this time of year. It needs hydration and moisture and the opposite of mattifying, dewiness or glowiness or whatever you want to call it. So I think this is one again, that I'm going to hold off on until summer when I do need mattifying because of the humidity and heat. I do tend to get more shiny, so I think I will hold off on using this particular primer until the summer when I need to look more matte. Next up is a perfume sample. This is from Stella McCartney, and it's just the Stella fragrance, I believe. I feel like I got this one a long time ago. Don't remember if I like it, but it says the first fragrance by Stella McCartney, inspired by the fragile beauty of a rose, contrasted by sensuality of amber. That's one of those that I'm gonna have to let settle for a bit, but it might be a bit too musky for me. We will see. The next product is from Caudalie, and it's their Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. So it says, apply morning and evening to face and neck, either by itself or after your serum. I'm assuming it's just an everyday moisturizer, but I will refer to the book. The final item I'm happy and excited about because it is a Bite lipstick, and I got a Bite lipstick from Sephora quite a while ago, this size. I love it. It quickly became one of my favorite lipsticks, and I love these mini sizes because I don't even go through them, but I was a little concerned when I first pulled it out that it would be the exact same color, but it's not. So I'm happy about that. This color is called Rhubarb, and it's definitely a deeper, darker color. Much more wearable color than the other one I have. The other one I have is Kimchi, which is a hot pink, which I like, but is not for everybody and is really one that works better in the summer months. But this is definitely one that you could wear all year round. It's a nice, I want to say mauve tone, but basically kind of a pink purple color that's also neutral and very wearable, as I said, something that I could see myself wearing all the time. Now, how it will look on my lips will be interesting because things seem to swatch very different on my hand than they do on my lips, so I will report back at some point, either in a lip video or a favorites or something. So those are all the items from February Sephora Play. And before I get into more details in the book, I did want to say that I'm happy with this box. I love getting new face masks to try. You know I'm always happy and excited to get lip products, and I especially am because it's a Bite lipstick and I know I like these. But it is a little disappointing to keep getting primers. Well, it's great to be able to try new primers. I just don't get through them that fast, and I'd like to be able to try out other different makeup items other than primers, but at least they're giving me different primers, so that's a good thing. And the other thing that's a little disappointing is this is either the second or possibly even more than that time that they're kind of including things like this. Now again, I have to look into the price of this. I am excited to be able to try out these eye masks, but I don't know, just something about when it comes in a foil packet like this, it makes me feel like it's not, I don't know. You let me know your thoughts, and I'll find out when I try them. Maybe I'll love them and it'll be totally worth it. But like last month, I got that weird drink thing, and then this coming in this sort of packaging. I don't know. I shouldn't complain. But overall, it is a good box. I've had much worse boxes, and it's all really good brands that I'm familiar with, and I think I will enjoy using the different things. So now this Caudalie, now as I'm holding it, it says it's 0.33 fluid ounces, but it feels extremely light to me, which makes me think maybe it's not full, which that would be disappointing too. But let me get the book. For the Caudalie product, it says a super light gel cream that hydrates and calms skin. You deserve the very best, and this ultra soothing formula is it. It nurtures sensitive skin with organic grape water, comforting chamomile, and antioxidant-rich grapeseed. Apply a dime-size amount morning and night to face and neck. So I guess it is just a moisturizer. But as I said, it feels quite empty, which is not a nice feeling. It does have very gel-like consistency, But to get a package this size is always exciting, but then when you can't even tell if it's full and it doesn't really feel full, that's disappointing. The perfume, I'll have to give it a little bit more time. I think it's a bit on the warmer side, so I'm not sure how I'll feel about it on my skin, but again, in time I will know. But what are your thoughts on the Sephora Play Box? Do you think it's worth the $10 price tag? At least, do you think February's box that I got was worth the $10 price tag? I will link all of the products in the description box below for you, and if I can find the price of full-size products, then I will put that price up on the screen as well, so that we can get a better idea of how much a full size of these items would go for, and if this box was worth $10 or not. But how do you think this compared to my other boxes? Do you think this is a subscription that you would get yourself? Let me know. I'd love to know your thoughts, your comments. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new here, I have an unboxing playlist where I include all of the unboxings that I've done. For the most part now, they're just the Sephora Play unboxings, but you can go out and check any of the old ones to get an idea of what sorts of items you get in these boxes. But I do have to say, I think Sephora is doing a pretty good job of changing it up and trying to be better about giving repeat items. I like the variety of things I get. I like that I get a variety of skincare, makeup, sometimes hair care. So I'm happy with it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you're like me and you've been having a little bit of the winter blues lately and kind of getting tired of winter, just remember it's February and it's the end of February, which means that March is quickly approaching, and that means that we're heading into spring. And while that might not necessarily mean a drastic change in weather where I live, at least we're heading that way. So just try to think of it that way. But have a great day, and I will talk to you soon in another video. Bye!